guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books to help you fix your book. Hi, so we're going to be adding the supplier information, and there are two people we're going to add, which is Tom and Donna. So Tom would be someone who helps us with advertising, and Donna would be our landlord. So we pay rent to Donna. So you're gonna see this in quite a lot of Quickbooks Online accounts, that there are suppliers like Squarespace or MailChimp or Calendly. Those are basically softwares that you would use. They are still considered vendors or suppliers, and I'm going to show you how to add these into Quickbooks Online now. To add suppliers into QuickBooks Online, all we need to do is go into Expenses, Suppliers, and then Add Supplier manually. So the first person we're going to add is Tom. Last name is Haverford. And then phone number, address, email. Click Save. And then click New Supplier. This time we'll add Donna. Same thing. I'm just going to copy and paste here the phone number. And that's it. You have both Tom and Donna already added, and then to add, suppliers like Squarespace or MailChimp, just add Squarespace. And the thing you could do actually is go online, go to Squarespace, and then look for the About section or the Contact Us. Usually it's there. New York, Portland. Okay, Dublin. So none of their headquarters are in Canada. Let's just choose New York. And put it there. The reason why it's actually important to add this is because Canada has a special sales tax that's only for suppliers within Canada. So again, since Squarespace is obviously outside of Canada, that sales tax won't be applicable. Click Save. So the next one we're going to do would be MailChimp. This one is also outside of Canada. Let's just say United States over here. And Calendly. Display name as Calendly. Then let's put okay there. So we have our list of suppliers, and that's it. You already know how to set up suppliers, as well as, like software subscription suppliers like Calendly or MailChimp. And the next thing we need to do is actually to add a service items list, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe so you can tune in to the next videos in our tutorial series here on YouTube. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, and I'm here to help you fix your book.